How's everybody doing? I hope so far so good. So today we're just gonna talk about one of the candlestick that very powerful. The name is hammer. We're gonna see how hammer candle is very powerful. But before we even go there, I'm gonna show you something about NVDA, and we can see some technical analysis about it also. Now, before we even start, just do me that favor, subscribe, like, and share. Just hit me, just click on the like and share and subscribe. So anytime I got something new like that, you'll be notified. And I think it's not gonna cost you nothing. Just click like, share, and subscribe. We just build it up that channel. Just thank you for that in advance. And you're gonna get good stuff here because I'm teaching you some great technical analysis. Now, that's the way you can be knowing how to trade. Now, we're gonna show you a great powerful candle. It's a candlestick pattern. The name is hammer. But before we even get there, let me just show you something briefly about NVDA. We know that NVDA has been going very low during the week, or let's say for the whole month of September, as well the month of August. But we see today, anytime we're going to see something about the RSI. This is the RSI, as you can see here. Anytime the RSI is below the 20, we have a range between 70 to 30. So anytime, or it can be 82. So anytime the RSI is above 70, is overbought. And anytime is lower than 30, is oversold. And also we have a range, the middles, we call it middle. The middle of the range is 50. So we see the RSI has been going very low, the yellow line and the blue line. So anytime it crosses over 70, but as we see there, it's been crossing over 70. It was overbought at that time. It was back to July 18, 2023 now. Now, you see, but here it's getting lower. It's come lower here. It's get up. We have the middle line, which is here, which is the 50. So anytime the range is above 50, after it's been going lower than 50, when it's lower than 50, that means very bearish. And it's about to go to oversold territory. Maybe it might go to 20 to 30. But it's going back to, we see this line, the middle line here, that's 50. So as we can see, the blue line has been going, that's or the RSI line, it's been going all the way down. It's about to touch the 30 because anytime it's below the 30, is oversold. Now, it was not really oversold. That was in September 21st, 2023, this month. It was almost touching the 30. But it was not touching yet. But is about to get back now as of today. Now, is below the 50. You see the 50 line, which is the small line in the middle, is below. The blue line is below. So now what you see is about to sloping up. It's sloping up. You see, anytime it's sloping up, it's getting to the 50 range. So if you can touch the 50 range and cross above the 50, which is this line, you see the 50 here. If you can be cross the 50, this is a signal of reversal, or it might be going back to bullish momentum. But it's not there yet. We're just gonna watching it, make some study on it, because you see, the blue line is about to get to the 50 line, or the middle range. It's about to touch it. As soon as it's touch it, we have to make sure that it's crossing above the 50. If it's crossing above the 50, that's the time we can see NVIDIA is going to be reversal back. But we don't know yet. We have to keep watching it because the blue line is sloping up. You see, for the whole month, the blue line has been going all the way down, about to touch the 30, which is the oversold. Now, it's trying to reverse back up. It's reversing, and it crossed the yellow line, which is the bearish one. It's been crossing it, and now it's sloping up all the way to the 50. Now, it hasn't been get to the 50 yet, but it's getting to the 50, as you can see here. We're just waiting to see if it can touch the 50, because now it's still in a bearish territory, because it's not up. We have the middle range with the 50. It's not touching the 50 yet. It's under the 50. So now, as soon as it's been touching the 50, now we can see it might be going to a reversal. But it have to be touched the 50, stay there, and cross above the 50 also. So we can see now it might be going to a reversal. Now it's getting back a little bit. Sometimes, the stock is going up, down, because today we see NVDA has been going a little bit bullish. But to be very certain about that, it has to be crossing above the 50 line in order for that to be a good reversal. So now let's see that, and we're gonna be watching it. Stay there, and I will let you know when NVDA has been touching the 50 and cross it. So now we will see it might be going back to a big, certainly, reversal. That's my study for it. Now let's go back to the hammer. I'm gonna show you what is a hammer candlestick. Before we even get there, just do me a favor again, share it, like, and subscribe. So anytime you do that, this channel can be grow, and we will move forward. And whatever we've been teaching, you will know about it. Thank you for your time. Let me just stop sharing this. So we're gonna share on the screen, which is the hammer. I'm gonna show you what is a hammer and the powerful of the hammer candlestick, because the hammer candlestick is a bullish candle. I'm gonna show you how it looks and what is a hammer. Subscribe, like, and share. Just subscribe for me and like. Thank you for your time. Let me just go there. Thank you, my friend, for your time. Let's just see what we can do for this hammer for you. Now, what is a hammer candlestick? The hammer candlestick is a bullish trading pattern that may indicate that the stock has reached its bottom and is positioned for trend reversal. That means it's about to be reversed. That's what it means. So whenever the hammer, you can see that, a hammer, the hammer candlestick is a bullish trading pattern. That's a bullish, it's a hammer. It's a bullish. Anytime you see hammer, it looks like that. That means the stock is a reversal back up. That may indicate that the stock has reached its bottom. That means if the stock has been going lower, down, and the hammer has been formed like that, that means is a big sign that the stock or the price has been reached its bottom. That means it's been get to its bottom, and it's about to be reversed back up. So, and that's what we call a hammer. Hammer candlestick is a bullish trading pattern that may indicate that a stock has reached its bottom and is positioned. That means it sit there for a reversal back up. Now, to be trend reversal, as you can see there. Let me show you again. Next screen. This is the hammer. We call that hammer. This a candle, doesn't matter of the color. That's a hammer. We call this one the high, the top, the high. We call this the top here, back here, the close, and the open. You see? And the long lower shadow. We call that the long lower shadow. And that's a low. That's a lower. It can go. And we call that hammer. And also for the bearish one, which is the red one, we have the high open. You know, the bearish always open at the top. So we call it high here, open, close, and the long lower shadow, and that's a low. That's a low. That's a bottom. That's a bearish signal. And this one is a bullish one. Bearish. So the bearish, that's a high for the bearish, and it's close above because the stock is going up, it's close above, and that's the bottom, that's the open, we call that open, close, and this one is a weak, or we call it long shadow, and it's a bottom. And on the other hand, we have the bearish side, which is the high, the top, and the close in the bottom. Is because it's going down. It's the close, and we call that the shadow, the weak or shadow, and the low. I'm going to show you now how to identify them in the short. And then as soon as you see it, that's a reversal pattern after the stock been going down. And you see the hammer, that means the stock gonna go reverse back up. Next one, you see? The stock been going down here, you see that? Stock going down, 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 down. That's, we call that sign down. We call it down. As soon as it's been going down, this means just doing down for you. See, stock been going back down, or the price has been going down. You see, down, 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 down. You see, hold the current, down, down, down here. And then again, it's as a support. Usually, the hammer been sitting at the support. You know, we've been talking about support and resistance. Go watch my previous video about resistance and support. You're gonna see how I explain step by step how to identify resistance and support. That's very in detail back there. Just go watch my previous video. Now, you see, it's been going to the support. We call that support. Anytime price go sitting 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 time, we call that base or support. And that's a support there because price has been sitting there at the support back there, support here. And then it reverses back up here again, price going up and it's going down. Because you know, stock market, as we've been talking about that many times, it's been going up, down, up, down, up, down. That's why it's been doing here. It's going down here and going up again. You see, but going up and down, that's the way, and going up. So, and then here, it's been sitting down here at the support. And we call that hammer. You see, this candle, that candle here is a hammer. As you can see, that's a hammer. Anytime you see the hammer, it's pointing up, it's about to reverse back up. So the stock is going to reverse up. So anytime you see the hammer being formed, that means stock is going to be reversed. And now you see it's going up. So as soon as you see the hammer, you can buy because the hammer give you a signal of buying or a signal of bullish momentum. So you're just going to buy here and start going to see that's a hammer. We call that hammer. You see the hammer like this? Always like that. Sitting down there at the support, that's means stock gonna go reverse back. All right. Another hammer here again. See? It's down there. And stock reverse. See? Anytime the hammer been there, stock reverse. You see hammer again. Or lose. So stock get it there. You have to be identified them. Let me show it. Let me teach it. Let me go back to so you can see the hammer, so you can identify hammer very well. This is the hammer, as you can see down there. See, that's a hammer. See, as soon as you can identify them, stock gonna be reverse back. Again, a hammer, bullish hammer candlestick, opening price, closing price, and weak, as you can see, or shadow. See, that's a hammer. If you can identify hammer, candlestick, that can be good for you. It's always formed as you can see it as it is there. And then opening price, closing price, and weak, and then that's a low. We call that low. If I can add it for you, that's a low, the lowest, and then stock go there, and then you see, because after the hammer has been formed like that, price has been going down like this, and hammer, that means it's gonna be reversed back up. See? That's the way, my friend. Another hammer again. Hammer. You see, hammer always form after a series of downtrend. And then the hammer been sitting at the support and start gonna be reversed. Easy. So you see, hammer, we call it hammer. Start being going downtrend, we call it downtrend. Downtrend. After a series of downtrend and hammer, this is a hammer. Hammer has been created or formed, and you see, start going back up. You know, we've been talking about that also. I'm not gonna teach about it today. We call that hanging man. It's look like a hammer, the same thing. But the hanging man, when it form, start gonna reverse back up. After start being going up, and then at the top, if you see the hammer, that means start gonna be reversed back. You see, they look like this, but the hammer, the hanging itself is formed at the top after seeing start going up. The hammer itself is been formed after start going downtrend in the bottom. We call that the hanging man, the top, and start going reverse, and the hammer, the bottom, start gonna go reverse. I'm not gonna be too confused, but we talk about that. Go just watch my previous video. We're talking about the difference between a hammer and a hanging man. I make a lot of video about technical analysis, so just that's why you have to be subscribed, like, and share, so you will know every time I'm come up with something. That's just a free class you get for free. Now, last thing you're gonna see again, start being going down at this downtrend. You got the hammer here, see, and then you can put, that's something you're gonna teach next time, but I'm just give you just a look about it. We have the entry price. That's mean you can entry level. That's mean you can buy here. We call that buy entry, because you can buy next, because anytime you buy, you have to wait for the confirmation, because that's a hammer being formed, start about to be reversed back up. And what you can do, you just wait for a confirmation. You have to wait for the confirmation. It has to be confirmed first. After you see confirmation, you buy at the top here, the next candle. We call that next candle. You buy at the next candle. You see, next candle, which is this candle, which is this one. At the top, you buy here, entry level, and then you place your stop loss down in the bottom of the hammer. In case the price try to fall in, the stop loss will gonna be stop it, so you don't lose your money. So you put the stop loss. Next time, I'm gonna show you how to place your entry level. That's it. I just teach you that in advance, but I'm just gonna teach you where next time we're gonna be a class about entry level. So you're gonna place your entry level, your target price, and your stop loss. That's very powerful. Stay there. So anytime I got something, you will know about it. So just that's my next video. Show you how to place your trade so you don't lose your money. You put your entry, you put your target price, and you put your stop loss. So in case the price coming back, you take it back. So that's the way, my friend. So today we've been talking about a hammer, which is the hammer. What is a hammer? It's a candlestick bullish pattern that may indicate a reversal or a bullish, and then at the support. So my friend, thank you for your time. Next time we're gonna talk about support. Let's say we're gonna talk about like the stop loss, price target, and your entry level. So be there, and then we will see you next time. This is Harry. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for me. Love you, and see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you.